I'm bringing my spikes, not snowshoes. I've heard it's icy and slushy, but not a lot of packed snow. Actually use home. Good boy. This is Nicole. Everybody say hi, Nicole. This is Coda. Hi. Good girl. River crossing number 1. Okay, okay. Woo. We are hitting the point where it's all stairs, so I'm taking a quick break. Yeah. You do, good boy. I hear ya. I hear ya. I can see Nicole getting absolutely blasted. All right, let's brave it. Holy moly! Ah! Raincoat is going on.
Oh, my sunscreen's coming off.
I'm not ready. It is roaring. Ah! I don't know if you can hear me, but my phone storage died right as we went up to the waterfall, so I had to delete a bunch. But we are ready to head back down. We took a bunch of photos and videos. Ready? Yes, we're ready. Oh! We've only passed like, what, 5 people?
Yeah.
Yeah. So nice. Place. What's it called in that area? Got my slippers from Vessi. It's